Hey everyone, in this quick guide I'm going to show you how to use Softr, the no-code app builder that turns your Airtable or Google Sheets into fully functional web apps without writing a single line of code. Let's get straight into it. First, go to softr.io, then sign up for a free account. Once you're in, click create new application. Choose a template to start from scratch. Templates are great if you want something like a directory, client portal, or job board right away. Next, connect your Airtable or Google Sheets. This is your database where your content or user info will live. Now you're inside the Softr editor. You can drag and drop blocks like lists, form charts, buttons, login pages, and more. Each block connects to a table or view in your Airtable sheet. So if you want to show a list of products, just connect that block to your products table. You can also add filters, search, and even conditional visibility without coding. Once your app looks how you want it, hit publish. Softr gives you a live link where you can connect your own custom domain. You can even gate pages behind login if you want a private app or member-only content. And that's it, your no-code app is live and working, all powered by Softr. Like and subscribe if you want more beginner-friendly no-code tutorials. See you in the next one.